Section 5 of the Petition for Injunction for Protection Against Domestic Violence begins at the bottom of page 5 and ends on page 7 of the form. Section 5 discusses a temporary parenting plan with temporary time-sharing schedule for minor children. You should complete this section only if you are asking the court to provide a temporary parenting plan, including a temporary time-sharing schedule with regard to the minor child or children of you and the respondent, which might involve prohibiting or limiting time sharing or requiring that it be supervised by a third party. You must be the natural parent, adoptive parent, or guardian by court order of the minor child or children. If you are asking the court to provide a temporary parenting plan, including a temporary time-sharing schedule with regard to the minor child or children of the parties, which might involve prohibiting or limiting time sharing, or requiring that it be supervised by a third party, you must also complete and file a Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act affidavit, Florida Supreme Court approved Family Law Form 12.902D. Please also note, if the paternity of the minor child or children has not been established through either marriage or court order, the court may deny a request to provide a temporary parenting plan, including a temporary time-sharing schedule with regard to the minor child or children, and the court may also deny a request for child support regarding those children. Subsection 1 of Section 5 requests that you list the name and birth date of the child or children who you are the natural, adoptive, or guardian by court order for the minor children that you are seeking a time-sharing schedule for. Subsection 2 states that the minor child or children for whom you are asking the court to provide a temporary parenting plan, you are including a time-sharing schedule with regard to one of the following. Either the minor child or children saw the domestic violence described in this petition, they were at the place where the domestic violence happened but did not see it, the children were not there when the domestic violence happened this time, but have seen prior acts of domestic violence by the respondent, or the children have not witnessed domestic violence by the respondent. Make sure to select only one of those four options in regards to the minor children for whom you are asking the court for a temporary parenting plan and temporary time-sharing schedule. Subsection 3 of Section 5 asks for you to name any other minor children who were there when the domestic violence happened. You must include the child or children's name, age, and the names of the child's parents. Subsection 4 asks for you to provide more details about the temporary parenting plan and temporary time-sharing schedule that you are requesting from the court. You may indicate all that apply to your situation. Subsection A allows you to request that the court provide a temporary parenting plan, including a temporary time-sharing schedule, and you may provide as much detail as you'd like as to what schedule you believe is best for the children. Subsection B allows you to request that the court order supervised exchanges of the minor child or children, or exchange through a responsible person designated by the court. You are able to suggest a responsible person for purposes of such an exchange in the space provided. In subsection C, you may request that the court limit time sharing by the respondent with the minor children. You may provide an explanation why you believe this is necessary for the children's best interest in the space provided. In subsection D, you may request that the court prohibit time sharing by the respondent with the minor children because you genuinely fear that the respondent imminently will abuse, remove, or hide the minor child or children from you. And again, you may provide a specific explanation as to why you genuinely believe this in the space provided. In subsection C, subsection E, you may request that the court allow only supervised time sharing by the respondent with the minor child or children, and you may provide a specific explanation why you believe this to be in the children's best interest. In that same subsection, subsection E, you may provide a specific family visitation center or other place that the supervised visitation may take place.